After you've logged into Slate, you will see our online resources across the top of the screen. Select the core program, Stepping Stones, then press Start. And you'll see you can access the Stepping Stones overview, so you can read everything I'm about to present to you in this session. You'll also see 6 grades, K through 5. You can access content from Kindergarten 1 and 2 from July 2012, and grades 3, 4 and 5 from July 2013. Suppose I select grade 1. Here you will see an overview of the 12 modules of work in the grade. Each module addresses 2 or 3 big ideas from the Common Core. So Stepping Stones is structured with 12 modules in each grade. When I select module 7, you see a number of options. Choose the Mathematics tab to get an overview of all the mathematics for that module. The focus shows you the key mathematics from the 2 big ideas in the Common Core. This page also shows the professional learning that we offer with MathEd. This is the true power of the program. You're getting the professional learning when and where you need it. You can access the videos from the Resources tab at the top right. Simply click on the video, then choose a file size that suits your internet speed. You can watch these professional learning sessions when it suits you. It could be a week prior, a day before, or even the morning before you teach. When you click back on the Mathematics tab, you can choose learning targets to see the aims of this module. You're going to assess these targets at the end of the module. Mathematical practices are a key element of the Common Core. Select this option to see an overview that shows how and where the practices are addressed in this module. Individual lessons within the module will give more detailed information to assure you as to how they will be addressed. Also, under the Mathematics tab is a list of the mathematics vocabulary the students will encounter during the course of the module. Choose Letter to Home to reveal a letter to inform parents or guardians of the nature of the content their child will be learning during the course of this module. The last option under the Mathematics tab is Research into Practice. Click here to see how this module reflects best practices. That completes the Mathematics tab, so you're now getting ready to teach. You might be asking, what resources do I need? Simply click on the Resource overview to see everything you need for whole class lessons and small group activities. Now you're ready to teach. Select Lessons under the Module tab. Here you see 12 lessons. All grades 1 to 5 have 12 lessons in each module. That gives you 144 lessons for the year. Kindergarten has 6 whole class lessons per module, or 72 lessons per year. Simply select the lesson you need. Once in, you will have access to teacher notes, differentiation activities, and ongoing practice pages. More information on how to teach a lesson is provided in another session. Now, between teaching these lessons, you might want to provide activities that focus on specific problem-solving strategies. Click the More option to reveal a number of problem-solving activities that focus on the content of this module. Here you will also see investigations that are very open-ended in nature. These activities are designed to engage pairs or small groups of students in collecting, representing, and analysing data. Finally, after you have taught the module, go back to the Module tab and select the Assessment option. Here you will see an overview that shows various ways to assess the learning targets. Both formative and summative options are provided. More detailed information about assessment and recording are provided in another session. Now that's a short overview of what Stepping Stones has to offer, but let me just show you one more thing. While I've been talking, you may have noticed this navigation tool in the top right hand corner. Let me quickly select a lesson in grade 1. You will see this lesson in a sequence of 3 lessons. By clicking just before the lesson number, I can quickly access the prerequisite lesson on this big idea in mathematics. In fact, if I click this down arrow, I can access all the big ideas in mathematics across all grades. Suppose I click on Addition. Stepping Stones will immediately take me to the first lesson for developing this big idea. Alternatively, I could hover over a grade and it will reveal all the lessons on this big idea in this grade. From here, I could easily select one. For me, this itself is professional learning. We've given teachers a way to see that mathematics is taught as a developmental sequence. Although I don't advocate it, I guess if the teachers want to jump around in the sequence, at least now we give them a way to see that there are prerequisite knowledge and skills that the students must have.